Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to integrate Google Calendar with Microsoft Outlook. For this particular task we are going to use Zapier. So first things, we have to either create a new account at zapier.com or log in into our existing account at zapier.com. Once we do that, on top left corner we have this option of create as app. So that's where we want to click. On the top left side there is still an option for naming your app. For example, let's go with Calendar Outlook. Okay, and now we have to start with the trigger. The trigger will stay obviously as a previous video, since it's 2023 and a couple of things have changed. We want to go and write down calendar. And as you can see, the second option is Google Calendar, which we want to integrate. Now, what is the event that we want to integrate? Let's go event start. We hit continue. Now we have to click for an account for Google Calendar that we want to use. We hit continue, and now we have to set up the calendar. So let's go like this. Time before, like 15. Let's go hours, search term, well, doesn't actually matter. We hit continue, and then it's about time to test the trigger. And as you can see, we found an event. So on the right side, we have all the green lights, and that's very, very important. We hit continue, and with overall one green light, which is the ideal option, we want to go with an action. The action is Outlook. We write down Outlook, click on Microsoft Outlook, and here we go again. Now we have to pick an event. Let's go, when event starts in Google Calendar, it will create, let's say, event and Microsoft Outlook. We hit continue. Right now we have to pick an account that we want to mark this integration to. Okay. And then we have to set up an action. So yet again, those are very important. Choose a calendar. Let's go like this. Subject, event start, and let's go like test event and time date. And we can hit continue now, and we can test the action. And publish this app. And that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day, and goodbye.